Today's video, we're gonna assemble a gantry crane that I've just bought from Harbor Freight. It's a Pittsburgh brand, and well, let's get the box open and see what we got. It comes with two pieces, as you see. Let's get this thing opened up. And there we have it. Let's see what we got in these boxes here. Got all our bolts here. Couple cranks, some instructions. Really come with many washers. Only came with about half the flat washers. I like putting flat washers on both sides, the bolt and the nut, because the holes are a little bigger, so keep everything a little tighter. So I ran down the hardware and got a couple bags of washers, so we'd have enough to double washers on everything. So there you go. Well, gonna need a new bolt, but I think it's gonna work. Might need to drill it out just a little bit more. Might go ahead and drill the whole thing out and put a bigger bolt in it. It's really the only thing that didn't fit very good. Just must be a little bit tweaked. Well, there it is, all assembled. Looks like a pretty heavy duty unit. I mean, for the price, it's not bad. I mean, it's not the best thing out there, but for a 1-ton gantry crane, it's not bad. I think I paid around, I don't know, $580 for it at a 20% coupon at Harbor Freight. So I'd say it's not bad for the money. If you want to see this thing in action, make sure to subscribe to my channel to see my next video. I'll be using it to pull this transmission out of this International 1066. Well, thanks for watching, and have a good day.